Hi everyone, thanks for jumping in today. My name is Maxim Sion and we are here to talk about outsourcing logistics. We know this is not the most wonderful subject to talk about, but it will be a game changer for your brand. We are keeping it light, straightforward and packed with tips to help you make a decision. What's in it for you? How do you know when it's time to outsource your logistics? Why should you bother outsourcing? How to outsource your logistics successfully? So let's break it down and make it more easy for you to focusing back on your brand itself. So when is the right time to outsource your logistics? There are a few signals you can measure in your company to make sure you make the right decision on the right time. You will find a few signals in your company when it's the right time to move to a logistic partner. First of all, you have scaling pains. Your orders are growing, your customers are stoked, but your team is buried in shipping and inventory headaches. Sounds familiar? That's your sign to start thinking about outsourcing logistics. Cost pressure, warehousing, delivery costs, inventory, it all adds up fast. Outsourcing can save you money because providers already have the system and network in place. Less stress, more savings. Lack of expertise. Logistics isn't easy. There's tech, trend, and a whole lot of rules to keep in mind. Service gaps. If you're hearing complaints about orders, late deliveries, it's your time to talk with a logistic partner. So what are the benefits of outsourcing your logistics? So first of all, you will save money. You can focus on your company and you give better customer service to your clients. And you will stay flexible. So if we go back to save money, of course, running logistics in-house can be very expensive. With outsourcing, you're tapping into an existing system and think about bulk discounts and shared resources. Focus on what you do best. You're the creative force behind your brand. We got bogged down in tracking shipments when you could be designing your next drop. So outsourcing frees up time to do what you're actually good at. Better customer experience, faster delivery, real-time tracking, easy returns. Logistic providers have the tools that make your customers happy and keep them coming back. So stay flexible. It's really important as a company that you can scale up and scale down. With a logistic provider, this is possible. If you're doing this in-house, you will have investments you need to do, but with a logistic provider, you have everything in-house to scale up for Black Friday, or if you have a bad season, the resources are going down and you don't need to pay for it. So, how to outsource your logistics successfully? We created a roadmap to support you in making a decision. So, step 1. Assess your needs. First, get clear on what you're dealing with. Is your goal to speed up deliveries, cut costs, fix customer complaints? Knowing what you need makes it easier to find the right partner. Step 2. Research and choose a partner. Not all logistic providers are created equal. Look for one that gets your industry, has solid reviews and can grow with you. Bonus point on transparency. No one likes surprise fees. Step 3. Set up a solid partnership. Think of this as a team effort. Set clear expectations. Agree on performance goals and keep the communication flowing. Outsourcing works best when you and your partner are on the same page. Step 4. Test and tweak. Start small with the test run. It's like trying a new pair of shoes. You need to see if it fits before committing. Use this phase to smooth out all problems and be able to scale up your operation. When things get too big to handle and you have service gaps, then it's probably time to go outsourcing. Why outsourcing? To save money and focus on your brand. Being creative is very important to keep your brand growing. How to outsource? assess your needs, pick a solid partner, and set clear expectations. And always test before you go all in. If this sounds like something your company could use, hit us up after the session and I'm here for you to help you scale up your company. Once again, my name is Maxim Sion. You can hit me up on LinkedIn and follow our socials. Thank you.